I was born in Moscow, but I remember nothing of that time. I was just an infant when the old world was destroyed in the flames of nuclear fire. I, along with 40,000 others, were saved by retreating to the metro stations deep under the city. Now 20 years had passed, and going up into the embrace of an endless winter was left to a few brave souls. The metro was our home, and our fortress against the nightmarish mutants who roamed the tunnels. Still, we never gave up hope that we would return to the surface. But one day, a new threat appeared, and we found ourselves in a war to determine the very existence of our species.
Вічна війна!
I'm not surprised.
The tunnel grew colder. Millie and I were close to the surface now. Soon, we'd climb up into the howling wind to fight our way through whatever nightmares were waiting there. My long journey was nearly at the end, but would I have the courage, the will to see it through?
Hey, Artyom. When you left your home station, did you ever think we'll end up in a place like this? Not knowing whether we were about to save our world or send it straight to hell. Ooh. We'll have to get through the military outpost to reach the surface, Artyom. Shh, тихо. Something's moving in the next room. Open the gate, I'll cover. Shit is always breaking down in here. Use the auxiliary hand system to open the gate. Artyom, check those crates for ammo and medpacks. Ready, Artyom? Follow me. Okay. Up we go. Seems like nobody's home. Before we hit the surface, put your gas mask on. Without it, it'd be like a goldfish outside his door.
We're almost there. This is the Korolev Performance Hall. It's really close to the tower. Grab your weapon! Суки! Here they come. Artyom, if you're wounded, use your med pack. Let's give it a pull. Okay, Artyom, you ready? Pull! Let's move out. And here it is, Artyomушка. Our goal.
Come in, women. Come in. Over. You're coming through loud and clear. Over. We're at the tower. I repeat, we're at the tower. Need the group move out. Over. That's affirmative. We've made contact. They should be in the vicinity of the tower now. Over. Roger. We'll contact you again when we're at the top of the tower. Get a fix on our location then. Over.
Let's go, the others should already be here. Oh, and there they are. Glad to see you, Colonel. Did you hear that? Listen. What the hell is it? Form a circle!
Stay calm. Watch your backs, boys.
Okay. Looks it's gonna be tougher than the library.
Shit, wait! Fire at will! Move the line!
Life was never easy in the tunnels, but it was our home. There was comfort in its routines, in seeing the same people day after day. But since the mutant attacks had escalated, fear ruled the station. I had just turned 20, and could never have imagined what would follow on the morning that my stepfather's friend Hunter arrived at the barricade.
Artyom! Awake at last, I see. Hunter's on his way in. He should have news from the other stations. Come on. Let's go, Artyom.
Shit. Pigs, disease. I've been through worse, and I'm not giving up. What's your plan?
Alex,
Yes, Nikolai?
the station can't survive much longer if these attacks don't stop. We must do something.
What more can we do? We'll see what Hunter says.
Sergei, have you seen my Sergei?
Relax. Everything will be fine.
Hello, Arton. Another patrol was attacked last night. The hospital's full.
Under control.
What about Alexei? He was at the
Many want to
outpost.
leave the station.
Do we need to
Let's
wait
go,
long?
Artyom.
He was in the battle. Has anyone seen him? The captain said he was okay, but I hope he's alive. No visitors.
Pieter!
Was it the Dark Ones?
The situation's under control. Oh, that's you.
How many dead? I don't say.
Come on, Alex. Hello, Artyom. They won't tell me anything. I don't know what...
How are the wounded?
Not much improvement. 2 died this morning.
The Dark Ones do not kill outright. But they
God, when
damage
will this
victims'
ever end?
mind. Sooner or later, this leads to death.
I can't get it. I can't reach.
No. What the hell? Who could that be?
It's Hunter.
Mutants don't knock first. Open the damn gate. Welcome to Exhibition, Hunter.
Thanks. Now close your gate.
It's been a long time, Hunter.
Good to see you, Alex. Hello, Artyom.
So, Hunter, what's happening in the outside world these days?
Not much. Most of what I hear is about the exhibition and the undead infesting your tunnels. Artyom, I met a trader selling old postcards of New York City. I thought of your wall.
These are not the usual mutant creatures. This is something else.
What the
Something
hell?
much worse.
Dark ones. Well, whatever in hell they are, my order has a motto. If it's hostile, you kill it.
The Dark
Intruder
Ones do
alarm
not...
in the main vent shaft. They're coming in from above.
Shit. Just what we needed.
There are wounded here just behind the wall. The whole...
Kirill, take your group to the tunnels.
Alex,
Hunter
we must stay here and defend the hall.
All right, Artyom,
Go,
quickly
go,
get a
go!
weapon. Damn, they never come this far into the station.
It's the hospital. They smell the blood.
Artyom, are you alright?
Of course. It's a dead-eye shot, this one. No Dark Ones here. Just the usual tunnel trash.
Even when you don't see them, the Dark Ones are there. Fear. That's their weapon. That's what made the Nosalises run through the tunnels like rats. The Dark Ones are not simple mutants. They're Homo Novus, the next step in evolution. You've heard about survival of the fittest? Guess what? We lost.
What's happened to you, Alex? You can go like lambs to the slaughter. I'll hang on to whatever life I got with teeth and claws. And I'll take more than a few of your Homo Novus with me to hell.
You think you're some old movie cowboy? Have a look, Hunter. 10 soldiers trained in combat. Their bodies broken, their minds gone.
The Dark Ones! They destroyed the outer guard post!
The devil knows what's happening out there, beyond your perimeter. I must go recon the situation. Listen carefully, Artyom. If I'm not back here by morning, you must get to Polis Station and find a man named Miller. Tell him what's happened to me, and what's stirring in the northern tunnels. Show this to Miller, so he knows I've sent you. I trust everything to you, Artyom. Don't let me down. If we are to survive, this threat must be eliminated, no matter the cost. Eliminated. Understand?
Hunter did not return. It wouldn't be easy to find an excuse to leave the station and travel to Polis, but I had given my word. I learned that the caravan was heading to Riga the next day and needed guards, assigned on for the ride.
Паровоз, не стучите колеса. Кондуктор, нажми на тормоза. Finally! Taking your time as usual, huh? Alright, grab your gear, go to the platform, they're waiting for us. I'll meet you there. Hey, Artyom, don't forget anything, huh? Вот стоц перевертаться, бабушка здорова. Вот стоц перевертаться, кушает компот. Вот стоц перевертаться и мечтать снова. Вот стоц перевертаться, пережить налет.
Sorry, Artyom. This part of the station is under temporary lockdown. Only the guards may pass.
Hey, that's some
I'm
nice
sick and tired of this shit. Why do I put up with
something
it?
else now.
Mom
How
told me
about
to keep away from this. So, that guy comes over and says, "Baby, if my wife could cook like you, I'd be the happiest man in the world."
Filth, you know? Liars, hypocrites,
So I
traitors,
asked him,
everything.
Look who's talking about dirt. Walking around and leaving those dirty footprints everywhere. Not giving a damn about me who's got to clean it up after them.
Under the proposed agreement, our stations are
Didn't
to
I ask you
jointly
to stay
solve
close?
issues concerning trade, communication. Resources and so on. Most important,
You can sit.
Excellent choice. Good guy. As you would, his stuff is 5 times better than your toy gun. Excellent choice. Good guy. Definitely better than yours.
citizens to welcome our visitors and to offer them the
His
same
stuff is 5
rights.
times better than your toy gun.
Thank you for your attention.
Throw your junk away. That's for babies.
Big snouts at a reasonable price today. They're
Take some. Always empty. Whatever.
There is standard method for escorting caravans. Guards on the cars, others patrolling ahead, and some to the rear.
drunk again. Get the hell up, you son.
Artyom, where's your gear? Look, go to the armory and get geared up.
You drink like there's no tomorrow. And there won't be if you don't get your ass home.
You need some weapons? Okay, let's take a look. Submachine gun, 5.45 caliber, made in the armory. It's got poor accuracy and overheats like hell. That's why they call it a bastard gun. Use short bursts, Artyom. Help yourself to some ammo too.
Here's your gun and go, go, go. Never fear, it's the same old story.
Here's a universal charger to keep the battery powered. And a gas mask. Put it on if you crossed any rate. Army issue first aid kits, just in case. Okay, you're supplied, my friend. Feel free to try out your weapon on my firing range. And you try not to stick out your head too much, okay?
Do you think one day we could go back up to the surface?
Hi, how are you, Artyom?
Come in, son. You're ready to set off. Good.
St. Petersburg, Minsk, Kiev.
You've probably heard that our station is creating an alliance with Riga. We're sending them a couple of rail cars with humanitarian goods, some weapons, and some miscellaneous gear. It's the cargo you'll be looking after. It's not a very long trip, and it should not be too hard. Artyom, one thing before you go. I can see that you look up to Hunter.
What's your situation, man?
But a ranger's life is different than ours. They're reckless, even violent by nature. There's nothing to be gained by playing the hero, so stay clear of trouble. See the caravan to its destination and come home as soon as possible. Goodbye, my boy.
All quiet, sir.
Hi, Artyom. How about the piglet? Mighty fine pet, I must say.
What's your situation, man?
Artyom! Artyom, here! Here! Move it!
Привет! So you ready to move out? Are you ready? Well, let's go then. It's worse than being the doctor when you got to the guillotine. You take that seat, Artyom, and you, Eugene, take this one. Did anybody forget anything?
So, you get your gear? Let's go then.
Hey guys, going to Riga?
Yeah, we are.
Can I get a lift?
Sure, but no free rides. You'll have to pull the lever sometimes.
I can do that.
Let's go then. Alrighty then. Good luck to everyone staying home, and to us too.
Boy,
Let's go.
good luck to us.
So, are you ready to finally be somewhere else?
Oh, Artyomka! Free at last, huh? Well, for as long as the ride takes anyway. Should be fun. More dangerous. Even better, right?
It was the first time I had left the safety of my home station. It troubled me that I hadn't told my stepfather the truth. I would not be heading straight back from Riga, but Hunter was depending on me.
So, where you from?
Riga. I'm making the rounds, buying merchandise.
Well, I bet you've seen a few places then.
Yeah, the market is right next to Riga, and that's a big metro already. I used to make regular trips to Polis, but getting there now requires a lot of luck. That or being from
Have a
Hansa.
safe trip. How come?
Hansa connects to the whole metro and has a lot of stations, but doesn't welcome outsiders. And if it's not Hansa, then you have to go through the Reds, the Nazis, or your regular bandits. And these guys are really going at it lately. If they're not fighting everyone else, they're warring with each other. The worst thing that I've ever been through is Dobryska.
You dumbasses!
Slow down, guys.
Peter, what's up?
A military caravan got stuck near Alexeyevskaya. A tunnel collapsed or other shit. You have to use the service tunnel bypassing Alexeyevskaya.
Ah, fuck. I hate this tunnel.
Alright, Peter. Open up the gate. No point being stuck here forever.
Why? Well, what's wrong with the tunnel?
Well, it's an ordinary tunnel. Not as well lit, maybe. I went through there last month and, well, I just don't like it. That's all.
Have a safe trip.
We're riding a ham car and we're armed, so I think we'll make it there okay. Damn, does my head hurt.
If you help push the lever, we'll get there sooner.
Okay, Eugene, you go help the men. We should move faster here. You watch the back, Artyom.
Sure, I'll help. That way we'll get to Riga in no time, right?
No, we should get out of here sooner. It's scary when they're around, and I pity them.
Them? Who them?
Can you hear them weep?
Whom do you mean, them? What are you talking about, huh? What the hell is going on about? Boris? Boris!
Hey, what's happening to me?
My head! Artyom! What is it?
Artyom! Over here!
If we are to survive, this threat must be eliminated, no matter the cost. Eliminated.
What the hell's going on? Shit! Wake up, people! People! Wake up, for Christ's sake! What is? Wake up, warriors! Shit! It's no good! Ah! Oh, God! Ah! Shoot them! You shoot them! Take the ladders! Come on! Artyom, it's gonna get me! Artyom! Come on! Help me, Artyom! Artyom, take my shotgun! Here! Conserve the ammo! Conserve the ammo! Help! Artyom! We're almost at the roadblock! Just a little bit left, come on! Save me! Artyom, it's gonna get me! Artyom!
That was hot. I need a drink.
Riga station was only the first stop on my journey, but the caravan went no further. So before parting ways, we drank to celebrate our survival. The vodka didn't drown my fear of traveling on to Polis alone, but I was about to find myself with an unexpected and notorious partner.
All right, boys. Let's train to our friend Artyom, who goes right through monsters and anomalies alike. To Artyom.
To you!
Hell, if not for you, Artyom, we'd have been shredded like cabbage. You deserve a medal. Or at least some extra ammo. Here, take them. To you.
Artyom! To you! Artyom, you really immune to that shit?
See if that shroom vodka knocks him down, huh?
Okay, we've got to check that. To our luck, and to Artyom.
To your health. The vodka kicks everyone's ass, huh?
So tell me, the tunnel to market's closed down and I'm bored to death sitting here on my ass.
We passed through some kind of invisible way.
I got my rights, man! Let me out of the station! And what the hell do you care if I live or die?
I don't care.
We will. Please come
I got
again.
my orders.
This is a triple distillation.
Man, I don't even know how we made it to the road.
Guaranteed.
I'll drink to such a nice guy too.
We will.
Please, Artyom.
boss is busy right now.
Wow! Did you really come here on a handcar?
Yes, I did.
Wow! I'd
Special
love to ride.
offers discount. It's for exhaling only. It's for exhaling only. Take some.
Oh, I really
Always
should
handy.
be going now, or else I'll get a spanking.
Bang! And problems gone. Always handy. Whatever.
Are you Artyom? Hey, there's a man at the Black Street waiting for you. He's kind of big and scary. And he doesn't smell good either. Ugh. I'll guide you there for one bullet. Okay, find him yourself then. And you're really greedy. Scrooge. Scrooge.
Come here. You're Artyom, right? Sit down. Everybody calls me Bourbon. Listen, I need to get to Dry Station for some business, but this rat hole is on lockdown. I, however, know a back way. A so-called cursed passage the locals are afraid to use. But I hear the shit in the tunnels doesn't work on you. So, you help me get to Dry, I'll give you my AK when we get there. Deal? Good. Here's an advance payment in case you need to gear up first. Are you ready? Just make it short. Are you ready? Sitting in this crap hole is useless. Браво, репатушки. Раз, два, три, четыре. Раз, два, три, четыре. Икс судатушки. Браво, репатушки. Раз, два, три, четыре. Раз, два, три.
As I entered the abandoned tunnel with Bourbon, I wondered if I'd been wrong to trust him. But the station gates were still sealed, and there was no telling when I would have another chance to leave Riga.
Great, we broke free. Now keep your eyes peeled. The handcar ride is over. Lots of tough guys died in these tunnels. But if we watch each other's backs, we'll get there. Ah, that's just a single lurker. They rarely attack groups of people. But if you're alone, watch your ass. sounds. Either the ground is making that noise with wind. I also heard tales of singing pipes. They say if you listen long enough, you can hear the voices of the dead. What bullshit. Shit, caravanners. They're all dead, I know that style. Bandits. And Hansa boasted that they'd wipe them out. Now keep your eyes peeled. They won't let us pass freely. Alarm system. Ancient, but quite efficient. If you want to arrive unexpected, try not to disturb the cans. Watch your step. Any crunch or crack'll give you away. Oh, a tripwire! An excellent way to get rid of the blind and daredevils. You get what to do? Quiet, we have guests. Hide in that corner and watch how Uncle Bourbon works. Пуля подсветила, грудь попала меня. Но спасусь ли я на легком коне?
Job, we're losing people!
Watch your step. Any crunch or crack'll give you away. Oh, a tripwire! An excellent way to get rid of the blind and daredevils. You get what to do? Quiet, we have guests. Hide in that corner and watch how Uncle Bourbon works. Пуля подсветила, грудь попала меня. Но спасусь ли я на легком коне? Шашкою меня комиссар достал. That will teach them. You can take the knife as a trophy and follow me. Quick! They barricaded themselves. Short. We need to get closer. Can you take down the patrol?
What's happening?
Huh. Seems quiet.
What?
No one.
What's up?
Rat or something. Keep your eyes.
Гоп-стоп, ты много на себе взяла. Гоп-стоп, ля-ля-ля-ля-ля-ля-ля-ля. О, гоп-стоп.
To the right! We've got danger!
Гоп-стоп, ты много на себе взяла.
We've got danger!
Freeze!
Run! We've got a dead man here! Here, bitch!
Гоп-стоп, ты много на себе взяла. Гоп-стоп.
What?
Ля-ля-ля-ля-ля-ля-ля. О, гоп-стоп.
What's up? What's happening? Well, shut up! Silent! He's coming!
Гоп-стоп, ты много на себе взяла. Гоп-стоп, ля-ля-ля-ля-ля-ля-ля-ля. О, гоп-стоп.
Here! We've got casualties!
Don't stick here! Move!
We've got a придурок here! We've got a dead man here! Flank him!
This jackoff killed one of us! Shit! We're losing men!
Die! Die, bastard!
Don't stick here! Move!
Take this! Here, bitch! These bullets are for you! You're finished, Flanker! Eat this! kill you! You are dead! Dead!
Стоп, ты много на себе взяла. Гоп, стоп. Ля-ля-ля-ля-ля-ля-ля-ля. О, гоп, стоп.
I tell you, they're making...
What? Silence! Concentrate! Silence!
Гоп, стоп. Ты много на себе взяла. Гоп, стоп. Ля-ля-ля-ля-ля-ля-ля-ля. О, гоп, стоп.
No one. A mouse or rat or something.
Мы подошли из-за угла. Гоп, стоп. Ты много на себе взяла. Гоп, стоп. Ля-ля-ля-ля-ля-ля-ля-ля. О, гоп, стоп.
I tell you, they're making it too easy. This bunch was trying to save a buck and didn't hire a rear guard.
Those stupid assholes.
Wedge picked off a couple and the rest ran away in panic. We were waiting in the side tunnel to bushwhack them. Cut them down like pigs.
Don't talk about pigs. Just makes me hungry as hell. So, how was the loot?
Мы
Pretty
подошли
shabby.
из-за
Only
угла.
5 guns and a
Гоп,
few
стоп.
bullets.
Ты много на
These
себе
shitheads were
взяла.
mostly hauling clothes and
Shut up! Prepare for action!
Yes, my marshal. As you say, my